Government of Brazil. All right, take it away.
Okay, so we did our project on water pollution in Brazil, and we did this because it was a big problem because it was affecting the water that they drink out of, the water that they use, and stuff like that. The water gets polluted because they put trash into the water, and if they don't, then it ends up going into the water.
Okay. Water pollution in Brazil. We researched water pollution because we thought it was important, and what we found is that pollution is causing illnesses, killing animals and environment, and the water can affect us. First problem, people can't do anything in the water because of all the dead animals and fish, and the water is toxic and can harm. Second problem is all water pollution is dangerous to the health of living organisms, but sea and river pollution can be tending to cause harm to the health of humans and animals. It affects us because it causes illness, we can't drink water, and people there can't eat fish because of the contaminated water.
With all toxic water pollution, people don't really have a lot of food, because mainly what they eat in Brazil is fish and seafood, and with the polluted water, it's killing all their food sources. And experts are trying to fish out water pollution and put trash into the ground like we do in the United States so it doesn't go to water and pollute our water. Brazil's cities have adopted separate systems for sanitary sewers and stormwater runoffs.
The strengths and weaknesses are, if the water is toxic, causes death and sickness, and destroys the environment. And the strengths, there wasn't really any strengths, so there was only that people can help clean up trash and things. How it affects biodiversity. If the water is polluted, it is not safe to consume, and if living organisms do not consume water, they won't live. And if they die out, the amount of organisms present in that area goes down. So the organisms have to move, and they have to find a clean source of water, so it affects the food chain. If the organisms move, then its predators won't have anything to prey on, and they starve, and the population goes down. And basically, no clean water, animals can't live there. No animals, there's no food. No food equals no life.
Our solution was that we thought we could get a group of people who would like to be healthy, and get them to help fish out all of the water pollution, help form a group that'll get all that trash and put it into the ground instead of getting it to the water. What?
Is it like a volunteer type thing, or is it just?
Yeah, we're gonna get a group and whoever wants to do it.
What if no one comes?
Sucks to suck. I'm gonna make them come.
How are you gonna make them come?
Free food. What food? It's all freaking in the water.
Okay.
What's your solution?
What the sea?
Our solution was to get a group of people so they can help clean out the thing. And we get septic tanks.
But weren't like the other solutions that people already are helping clean out the water?
We were combining expert solutions with our station.
But you said there was no strains. So
There
what's
was
the,
only like yeah.
So what's the strength of yours?
We didn't have that.
You don't have any strengths?
By the way, if a group has not prepared well, it's open season for mosquito warfare. You should be asking good questions. These are good questions, by the way.
Like
Like when you get people to come and they clean, what do they get after? Like what do they get for helping? She said it was volunteer, so you don't really get it.
Water, you can go in the water, you can play food.
we were thinking about getting the group and like trying to donate money so we could get all the things together.
Where are you going to get the money from?
Fun, right?
Alright, so obviously with the trash that's already there and you explained on how you're planning on being rid of that, where you send out people who would have to volunteer and have to one thing at their time and to help the environment, which I know is but how are you gonna make sure that one tractor gets anywhere?
We're gonna make sure, like, we're gonna have this thing somewhere else, pass this into the gun, and at least water about it, and pipes and stuff that, or the storm thingamabobbers, we're gonna put those in the ground in case, yeah. I don't even know, man.
And then if the trash is underground, like what's the feedback?
Alright, let's just try to figure out how to get mosquito bites.
So just to continue to clarify kind of, if you put the trash underground like you're saying, is that gonna hurt the stuff above ground or is it just gonna be ground?
Ground.
There's already trash underground.
Yeah, like freaking we do it in Kentucky. Just like we put trash into the ground in Kentucky. It's working for us, man. It really is.
We saw a video about Eastern Kentucky, a guy that was house beaten up by acid water. But sure.
It's his fault for living there.
Alright, so any more questions? Like legitimate questions? If you do, I ask that you redirect them.
That's what we do. So when it'll affect like the animals that live in the soil, like worms and stuff and bugs and stuff, so they die. So that messes up kind of like the life cycle of the food web of other animals. So my question is, if you're fixing one thing, are you affecting another?
Most likely.
So did you think about that when you were doing your presentation?
Nope.
I thought there was something that we could help with your solution. Yeah, it goes to it.
Are we done?
Is that all?
I We're done.
Clap once. Boo. Twice. Alright, just some kind of feedback for you if you're going up today. I allow mosquito warfare. I allow that to go on because I want you to ask some good questions. I want you guys to realize if you don't prepare in real life, people will eat you up. If you present to a group of people and say, this is my solution, you better bring a good solution. Because they're going to poke holes in it. That's people's job. If they're going to give you money, they want to know their money's going to something good. So don't come at them with that weak stuff. Give them something real. Alright? Second thing. When you come up here, it's not very comfortable to be asked questions, is it?
No.
Alright? That's part of your preparation, right? Part of your preparation should be, when we come up here, we should expect to get this question, this question, this question. These are our biggest weaknesses. We need to have a solution. We need to be able to quickly hit them with an answer, so that when they ask that question, we don't look silly, but they do. Alright? So realize that, think about that. And as you're thinking about that, you should be finishing your evaluation for the last group, pulling up your evaluation for the next one, which is air pollution in China. Which would be Jenna and Isabella.
No. Hey, that's our third slide. Here's the thingies.
Let me restart the timer for you guys.
Okay. So the red thing means it's on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did they turn it off when they finished?
Where's no?
So hit it once to stop theirs.